Alam mo ba na napakadelikado ng lipo bat? Tingnan mo na lang tong video na to. Imagine mo kung nangyari yan sa loob ng bahay. Ang dami ko nang nakita na nasunugan ng kotse, nasunugan ng bahay dahil sa mishandling of LiPo batteries. LiPo batteries should always be kept in a cool and dry place. As much as possible, make use of LiPo-safe bags similar to this one. Ano ba kinaganda ng mga bags na ganito? Bags na ganito is fire retardant. Kung sumabog yung battery sa loob ng LiPo-safe bag na to, the fire and the heat will be just contained inside. And there's a less likely chance na hindi madamay ang bahay mo. Kung natakot ka on the fires that LiPo causes, what more ang lithium ion? The power contained in lithium-ion cells is more compact. Imagine, a battery this small is already 5,000 milliampere. This is also 5,000 milliampere. It's half the size. So yung contained power in lithium-ion cells is more dense. And pag ito ang nasunog, mas uncontrollable ang power and ang fire na lalabas. Ito, sample ng lithium-ion explosion. So, paano natin iiwasan lahat ng ito and how can we be safe in using these types of batteries? First and foremost, when you charge your batteries, as much as possible, charge it outside your house. Do not store and keep your batteries inside your house as much as possible. And last, always use a LiPo-safe bag if you can. Use this bag for storage and use it also while charging. And isa sa pinaka-importante, never ever overcharge your battery. Use the correct charger, use the correct settings on your charger, and don't go over the battery's capacity. Just keep all of those things in mind and you should be safe. That's it. This is my last video for the beginner series. If you got to this point, you should be well equipped to get your first RC. But if there are things that you still need clarity on, feel free to send me a DM or put a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back.